Man. Last day in last day in Cairns, and we got blessed. We got blessed with some southern food. Carl, how that food? Talk to him. How that food hidden?
Yeah.
Huh?
Good.
Look, she's like, okay, hold on.
Oh,
Okay,
mac and
chef.
cheese.
Okay, chef. Zion said he wanted some mac and cheese yesterday. Chef Sasha Foxx got it right.
Fox, baby, with two.
With two.
With two, she got it right.
And three is one too many.
Talk that talk.
That's my slogan. Yes, it is.
Look at her.
Okay, so you know we had to come to Inkwell Beach to get fed and fed and fed.